Hey everyone, this is Isaac from Hunger Smash Fitness, and this is Little Hammer. Yeah. Just wanted to make this video real quick. So Wooster, our dog, also goes by Gym Dog and all sorts of other names. But he has seizures periodically, and we've been meaning to try and get one of his seizures on video for a little while, just to show people. I know when we mention it, a lot of people kind of freak out a little bit. Yeah, do you have a lot to say? But his seizures aren't too bad. There's some thrashing and stuff. Usually, if we see him starting to seize, then we'll stop him and stop him from running around. Get him to lay down, stay down until the seizure passes. Sometimes it's not much at all. Yeah, do you have an opinion, Levi? Sometimes they're not very bad at all, and sometimes they're very violent, thrashing and everything. This one wasn't too bad, but I got it on video and just wanted to post it, and so that you guys could see it, and yeah, hopefully it helps you out. Do you have any final words? Do you have final words? Okay. All right, so that's all. Hey, Wooster, you doing okay? I should. Stay there, buddy. No. Stay there. You doing okay? Wooster, are you out of it yet? Yeah, you're a little more responsive now. It's okay. So this is Wooster. He just had another seizure. He has them once in a while. And I wasn't able to get the first part where he completely kind of thrashes a bit and then seizes up. But he's just coming out of it. He's a little more responsive now. Sometimes it takes him longer to come out of it, and sometimes it's a little bit faster. How you doing, Wooster? So you can see he's still shaking a lot and panting, and his pupils are extremely dilated. But it looks like he's starting to track a little bit more. Yeah. Looks like he's coming out of it pretty well now. Good boy. Yeah. Good boy, Wooster. Yeah. You want to just rest for a little while? No. Wooster. No, you don't want to trigger another one. Come here. Lay down. Lay down. So one thing that we've really noticed with Wooster is that if he has a seizure and we let him go play right away, he'll oftentimes trigger another one. So you really need to be careful of limiting their activity for a little while, limiting his activity for a little while until he fully comes out of it. And we usually give him, it's phenobarbital, right? Yeah, we usually give him phenobarbital for now in small doses to help control it. We don't give it to him very often, just because when he's on it, he gets really, really loopy and he bumps into stuff and loses a lot of his fine motor skills and everything, and he likes to play. So we give him Only smaller doses, usually only if it looks like he's going to have a seizure or if he has one. Then we'll give him a really small dose. And that usually helps bring him up out of it pretty quickly. But you can see he's still quivering quite a bit. Wooster, how you doing? Yeah, are you back out of it? He's acting a lot more like himself. Yeah, good boy. But he's not wagging his tail. There you go. There's the tail. Now he's back.